Co-ops are very important to us at AEC. We use them to do our engineering. They help out mainly with our design work. We also use them on the manufacturing side and some hands-on experience putting our equipment together in the shop.
One of the things that drew me to it was a smaller company, and here talking to other people, a lot of advice I got was regardless of where you go for somewhere smaller. Just because you do get the opportunity to put in effort where your interests are. If you want to get involved in something, they'll be more willing to help you get involved in that and get experience in that. I haven't been here more than 2 months, and this past couple weeks I've been doing a lot of testing on a product that they've been in development for a long time, and I just kind of raised my hand and said, hey, can I get involved in this? And they just kind of gave me the project.
The first semester, we try to get them some hands-on experience in the shop to get them familiar with industrial components that we use. We also get some SolidWorks experience, design experience, and kind of just get them familiar with how our design process works.
Towards the end of my first semester and definitely into my second semester, I was given a lot more responsibility. I was in charge of some of my own sub-assemblies, in charge of quite a few layouts. And then in my third rotation, the primary project we had during those 3 or 4 months, I was probably responsible for around 70% of the handoffs. So, which the handoffs are, what we say around here, the handoffs will eat your lunch, and it's one of the more challenging aspects of the job.
In school, you don't always learn the practical aspects. You learn a lot of the equations, but a lot of times those don't really mean much without actually applying them. So working in industry, you get to see how those things are applied. I would say that doing a co-op is way more valuable than an internship itself, because you do get to grow as you go through the semesters. And as your very first semester, you may be learning the basics, but by the time you are on your third rotation, you will be acting as an engineer.
We kind of expect the co-op to take ownership of their task and responsible for getting them done. So it's real important for a co-op to be kind of self-sufficient and motivated.
Like, you don't really know what to expect coming into it. You know it's going to be different than school. You know it's going to be a real work environment, and that's definitely what I found, especially here at AEC. It's a pretty small company, so you don't just get the engineering aspect of it. You really get the full spectrum of seeing how the business is run and every aspect of what goes into an engineering firm.